Somnath Temple in Gujarat is one of the most famous temples in our country. So far, members of all religious faiths had been allowed into the temple premises. But now the Somnath Temple Trust has decided that henceforth Hindus are no longer welcome. They must first approach the management, seek permission, only then will they be allowed. The Temple Trust says that non-Hindus are proving to be a security threat. Here's more.
Gujarat's historic Somnath Temple, the pilgrim place of Lord Shiva on the Arabian Sea coast, has now decided that it will no longer allow non-Hindus to enter without a permit. The Sri Somnath Trust, which manages this ancient temple, has put up a signboard at the entry point of the temple which says that non-Hindus will need to obtain permission if they wish to offer darshan.
हिंदू तीर्थधाम में कोई भी बिन हिंदू अगर दर्शन करना चाहे, श्रद्धा से दर्शन करना चाहे तो उसके लिए ये परमिशन ट्रस्ट की जरूरी है.
The temple says that the restriction has been put keeping in mind security concerns, but the move has come under criticism from within the Modi government.
ये गलत है, नहीं होना चाहिए. नॉन हिंदू मंदिर हो, मस्जिद हो, देखिए कोई भी संस्था हो, जो सार्वजनिक संस्था है वो किसी के जात या धर्म के नाम पर आप रोक नहीं सकते हैं. सीधी सी बात है.
A big political controversy has begun to brew over the diktat.
देखिए, हमारे पास जो सूचना है ऐसी पाबंदी नहीं लगाई गई है. ट्रस्ट को बताकर जाना है, सिर्फ इतनी हमारे पास सूचना है.
Hindu scholars need to deliberate as to whether the decision of the Somnath Trust is correct or not.
Just 48 hours ago, Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached out to Muslims, telling community leaders that his doors were open to them, even at midnight. The no entry for non-Hindus directive at the Somnath Temple has ruffled feathers.
ये बेसिकली हिंदू कम्युनिटी को खुद सोचना होगा कि उसमें गैर जाति के लोगों को देखने के लिए, रेस्पेक्ट देने के लिए वहाँ आना चाहिए, नहीं आना चाहिए.
जो बीजेपी की सरकार है, चाहे गुजरात की हो, चाहे और किसी स्टेट की हो, चाहे केंद्र की हो, ये लोग इस तरह के विवादास्पद मुद्दों को हाईलाइट करते हैं, जोर देते हैं.
Prime Minister Modi hasn't commented yet on the fresh controversy, with the new rule being seen as an attempt to regulate tourist inflow at the sacred site. Non-Hindus will have to contact the office of the temple's general manager and take permission for the visit. Bureau Report, India Today.
I want to go across now to the man who's taken the decision to bar non-Hindus from the Somnath Temple. Joining us on the newsroom this evening is P.K. Lahiri. He's the Secretary of the Sri Somnath Trust, former Chief Secretary of the State of Gujarat, and he's our guest on the newsroom this evening. Sir, welcome. Now, why in 21st century India would a temple as revered and respected as the Somnath Temple take a decision to keep non-Hindus out? It's something that has created a big controversy across the country and people can't understand your decision, Mr. Lahiri.
Somnath Trust is a very famous Hindu shrine. Lots of people come for religious purpose, and when we had input from local people that there are certain issues with security, whether somebody should be allowed or not, and security being changing every 2 months, we have taken the responsibility of screening as per the trust deed, which has mandated that non-Hindus will be permitted.
Are you suggesting, Mr. Lahiri, that any non-Hindu, any Muslim, any Christian who comes to Somnath Temple is viewed by the trust and you as the secretary of this trust as a potential threat, as a potential terrorist even?
The question of security is handled by the government. What we are concerned is with the religious feelings of the devotee and certain restrictions which have been imposed by the trust deed. As a trustee, I am duty bound to implement trust deed, its objective and conditions. Unfortunately, on a very, very simple issue of regulation, in any organization you enter, There are rules and
No,
regulations
but those
about
rules
entry,
and regulations
including
are
in your
not on the
studio.
basis
So,
of
first
religion,
of
Mr.
all,
Lahiri.
Madam,
Sir,
you begin on
you don't call me madam, please. My name is Rahul Kanwal. And more importantly,
Like-
Mr. Lahiri, how does someone on the basis of religion become a threat to the Somnath temple? Are you suggesting that Muslims or Christians are threats to the Somnath temple, sir?
Temples, in religious establishment, entry has to be regulated according to religion. It is not a public place. Let me repeat it. It is a religious sacrosanct place. And there is a clear-cut mandate there. You begin on a very infactual note saying that we have banned. Madam, we have not banned.
So you made it
We
very
have
difficult. Okay, now
only
tell me this.
regulated-
Sir, regulation is just another way of saying you don't want Muslims and Christians there. You're obviously not being very welcoming to other
want
religions.
them
That's the message
provided-
that you're sending out. You know, you can
provided
couch this
they
in any
conform
way
to
that
the
you want,
conditions
but the
laid
message
down
that's
in
going
the
out is that the
trustee.
Somnath
No,
temple,
the question
a
is
temple
not
of
whether
which the
I
Prime
want or
Minister
not.
himself is a trustee.
It is not the decision of trustee, it is the provision of the trust deed which I am implementing. So it is immaterial who is trustee. That is not an issue. It is a religious place. Let me repeat it. It is a religious place.
No, but I
The-
want to come back to the fundamental point that you're making. You're saying we got reports that suggested that non-Hindus would be a threat. Now, what kind of a threat? Are you suggesting somewhere that you
We are
believe
not
that any
saying
non-Hindu...
threat, they
So
have
that's
to
what you
abide
said,
by
sir.
certain
That there's
conditions.
So that's what you said at
See,
the beginning of the show, that
point is-
non-Hindus are a
Madam,
security threat.
you are having your own concept. You are not going into the facts. You are just jumping to the conclusion without reading the trust deed, without seeing the local condition. It is very good to sit in a studio and talk. But those who have to administer on ground have many compulsions to take into account, and we have administered it. It is one of the finest place, but for non-Hindu, the entry will be regulated in view of facts which we know.
No, what are these facts? Because you can't now say you never said that there's a security
Point
threat,
is-
because
point
I've got a
fact
report
is
here
that
which
it
has your
used
quote in
to-
PTI. You called them a security threat even earlier. Are you now changing your mind, Mr. Lahiri? Because this is not what you said 6 minutes earlier when we started
I
this
have
interview.
not called anybody a security threat. I have always maintained it is being screened by government, and everyone is screened. There is no distinction
So
in that.
how
But
do you
for the religious visit, it
tell
is
by
one
looking
thing.
at somebody's face, Mr. Lahiri, whether he's Hindu or Muslim? I've got so many colleagues who are Muslims. You can't tell by looking at their
See,
face whether they're
that is
Hindus
the
or
question
Muslims.
you have to answer me. If a man comes there and does not confirm in matter of worship or in matter of dress or in matter of speaking, few things which we have overheard and people have objected, we will regulate the entry to avoid any flashpoint within the temple.
Sir, we did some research of our own. We checked with the Ambaji temple. We checked with the Ranchod Rajaji temple in Dakor, the Akshardham temple in Gandhinagar, the Jagannath temple in Ahmedabad, as well as the Jama Masjid of Ahmedabad. Now, across Hindu and Muslim shrines, there is no bar on the basis of religion. No one stopping Hindus or Muslims from coming in. Why then would you take such a
We are
decision
not
at one of the
stopping.
most
Again, we are
respected Hindu
regulating
temples?
it, and there is a need to regulate.
What is that
You
need?
are still saying
You
we
are
are
either
stopping.
unable to
We are not
explain or
stopping.
I'm unable
We are
to understand,
permitting
Mr.
them.
Lahiri. What is the need? What is this need? If you've taken a decision, explain it to our viewers,
The
sir.
need is the management's need. And in any organization, there has to be a regulatory arrangement. If I go to Government of India office, there is a procedure. Everybody is treated differently according to its requirement. So there is absolutely nothing to say that it is banned. You
I
are
want
all
to go across
making
to Mr.
a mole out of, means a mountain out of a mole. It is a simple thing that every religious organization, Jagannath Puri, Balaji Temple at Tirupati, Guruvayur is doing it. You are saying Akshardham is also doing it. There is also
I want to go
separate
across to
entry
Mr.
where
Bitta
they take it
from
and
the
do that.
Anti-Terror Front of India. Now, we've got Mr. P.K. Lahiri, the Secretary of the Sri Somnath Trust. He says there are security compulsions, there are requirements because of which we don't want to allow non-Hindus in. He's saying we're not banning them, we are regulating that entry. How do you respond, Mr. Bitta?
पहली बात तो मुझे हिंदी में सवाल
प्लीज
पूछे
प्लीज
मैं
डोंट वरी, मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूं कि इस वक्त हमारे साथ पीके लाहिरी हैं जो कि सोमनाथ ट्रस्ट के सेक्रेटरी हैं, फॉर्मर चीफ सेक्रेटरी हैं गुजरात के। ये कह रहे हैं कि खतरा रहता है, हमारे को ऐसी रिपोर्ट्स आई कि जो नॉन हिंदूज आते हैं उनके आने से खतरा आता है, ये टेंपल के ट्रस्ट का फैसला है, हमने फैसला लिया, हमारी मर्जी, हम किसको आने दें किसको ना आने दें। आप कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं?
मेरे अगर टूर प्रोग्राम देख ले, पुलिस के रिकॉर्ड से निकाले, महीने में 25 दिन में मंदिरों में मेरा चक्कर रहता है, उनके चरणों में जाता हूँ, चाहे वो वाराणसी हो, चाहे वो बंगलामुखी हो, बालाजी मेहंदीपुर हो या वो अक्षरधाम हो, मेरा मंदिरों में ही 25 दिन गुजरते हैं, उनके चरणों में रहता हूँ, पाठ पूजा में रहता हूँ। और इनको ये पता नहीं है कि पंजाब के अंदर जब टेररिज्म था तो ये हिंदू सिख 9 मास का रिश्ता है, ये कभी टूट नहीं सकता, बम गोलियां भी इसको तोड़ नहीं पाए। हमने अपने शरीर के आधे हिस्से गवा लिए, किस लिए गवाए? कि हमारा 9 मास का रिश्ता है। क्या अमृतसर गुरुद्वारा साहब के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा हिंदू मत्था टेकने आते हैं, सिखों से भी ज्यादा आते हैं, मुस्लिम भी आते हैं। अगर मेरी आस्था सोमनाथ मंदिर जी के चरणों में है तो क्या मुझे रोका जाएगा?
I think you make a very important point, and I want to put that question to PK Lahiri here from Mr. Bitta.
Visit and make it a pleasant experience.
Sir, he is saying
I can
that
only
tomorrow
say
the
you are
Golden
welcome.
Temple,
We
by
will
this logic, will
escort
say
you
we
and
don't
make
want
your
Hindus in
visit
the
very
Golden
pleasant
Temple in
one.
Amritsar. Mr. Lahiri, by this logic, tomorrow the Golden Temple will say we don't want Hindus
There
there.
is
Then
no logic like that. You go there, you have to conform to the temple's code, and here also we only want to ensure that those who are going inside, those who do not know religious constraints are told in advance and then they are allowed, so there is no
Mr.
confusion
Bitta, Lahiri
inside.
साहब कह रहे हैं कि हम चाहते हैं कि मंदिर में कोई आए तो वो उसकी रेगुलेशन होनी चाहिए रिलीजन के बेसिस पे। वो कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने ऐसी चीजें सुनी जो कि टेंपल की सिक्योरिटी के लिए खतरनाक था, इस वजह से ट्रस्ट ने ये फैसला लिया। क्या आपको लगता है कि ये नॉन हिंदूज को रोकने का एक तरीका है, जो कहा जा रहा है कि हम रेगुलेट कर रहे हैं, क्या इससे बहुत नेगेटिव मैसेज जाता है आपके हिसाब से मिस्टर बिट्टा?
कंवल जी, पहले मेरी बात सुनिए, मुझे ये बताइएगा कि अक्षरधाम हमला हुआ, राम जन्मभूमि हुआ, रघुनाथ मंदिर हमला हुआ, हम कहते हैं कि सुरक्षा बढ़नी चाहिए। कौन कहता है? सारे मंदिरों को हिंदुस्तान में खतरा, मैं इनसे सहमत हूं। मुझे ये बताया जाए, अगर मेरी आस्था सोमनाथ उनके चरणों में है, अमरनाथ यात्रा पे है, मुझे ये बताया जाए मेरा धर्म भारत माँ है और मेरी जात वंदे मातरम है। या तो ये ट्रस्टी ये बता रहे मेरा धर्म क्या है,
सर आप
मेरी जात बता रहे मेरा धर्म
That's
क्या
a
है।
very important. That's a very important point you make, Mr. Bitta. Mr. Lahiri, how will you, by just looking at somebody's face, tell whether he's a Hindu or a
मैं
Muslim?
बिट्टा जी से
You
यही
can't.
कहूंगा कि जिसकी आस्था है उसके लिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, उनका स्वागत है, उनको अच्छी तरह से दर्शन करवाए
No, no, but
जाएंगे
Mr.
और
Lahiri,
मंदिर के बारे में अवगत कराए
please hear
जाएंगे।
my question, sir. If some person walks in wearing a kurta pajama or a jeans and a t-shirt or a shirt, how will you know whether he's Hindu or Muslim? It's not written on his face. How will you even check this? How will you restrict it?
We expect that those who are not Hindu will let us know and we will explain to them the do's and don'ts along with when they enter, and we will be very happy to show that.
Okay, I'm going to leave it over there. PK Lahiri, you've said what you had to. I don't wish to be judgmental. People have heard your case, they've heard the questions. We'll leave it to our viewers to decide whether or not they believe that you, as the Secretary of the Trust, has taken the right decision. For the time being, PK Lahiri for joining us from Ahmedabad tonight. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Mr. Bitta, as well. Thank you.